You're watching the Pix 11 News at 5.
The scrutiny continues for Long Island Congressman-elect George Santos. Today, a podcast interview resurfaced where Santos claimed to have survived a cancerous brain tumor. And a local Congress member has taken a step to hold future candidates accountable for lying. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Shirley Chan.
And I'm Erin LeBeau. Corey and Tamsin have the night off. Well, Pix 11's Ayanna Harry is live in Great Neck, Long Island with the latest in the Santos investigation. Ayanna.
Here in Great Neck throughout the day, a truck drove through town with a large billboard that said George Santos lied. And the list of lies he's accused of telling grew longer today. One of his soon-to-be colleagues in Washington is fed up.
So I introduced the Santos Act.
George Santos inspired legislation in the House of Representatives, and he hasn't even been sworn in yet. Congressman Richie Torres spoke with Pix 11 News about the Santos Act,
which will require federal candidates to disclose in writing, under oath, under the penalty of perjury, their employment, educational, and military history.
I apologize if anybody feels hurt or betrayed.
Monday, the Republican Long Island Congressman-elect admitted to lying about parts of his work history and his family background.
I'm not a fraud. I'm not a cartoon character.
Each day since Santos's admission, more questions have emerged about his past statements. Friday, a podcast interview from 2020 surfaced where Santos spoke of surviving COVID-19, adding, quote, "I also battled a brain tumor a couple of years ago, and I had radiation done," end quote.
He pretended to be a Ukrainian, Belgian, Jewish, Catholic, whose mother died twice, including on 9/11, and who magically became a millionaire overnight.
I think his biggest issue probably right now is campaign finance.
A review of financial records submitted to the Federal Election Commission show the Santos campaign spent more than $40,000 on flights, and Santos made a $705,000 loan to his campaign.
And as late as May of 2020, he reported a salary of $55,000. Then in 2021 and 2022, he reported earning somewhere between $3.5 to $11.5 million.
They're going to try and find out where all this money came from.
Right now, Santos is the subject of multiple investigations. Attorney Andrew Lieb explains.
Campaign finance specifically is a federal case, but how he got the money could be both a state and a federal case.
George Santos has sent out invitations to his swearing-in ceremony next week in Washington. He's also offering VIP tickets for $500. Reporting live from Great Neck, Long Island, Ayanna Harry, Pix 11 News.
It's like a new twist every day. Okay, Ayanna, thank you for staying on top of this.